Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
I did that once. Calm down.
It's in every intro.
Hey guys.
Tell them what we're doing.
So today, wait, what did I just say?
Because I'm doing something.
Today we are going to, well, you can see by the title, but we are going to react to My Strange Addiction. All right, guys, let's get to it.
My name's Adele. I'm 30 years old. I'm from Bradenton, Florida. And my addiction is eating couch cushions.
Okay.
My earliest memory of eating cushion, I was about 10 years old, and my cousin tried this on a daily basis.
Her cousin told her to
Eating
try
about
it.
8.5 by 11 piece of cushion.
Remember we used to have those
My
cookies?
name is Keisha. I'm 34 years old, and I love eating toilet paper.
I see where
She
my
said,
toilet paper goes.
And I like eating toilet
Bulky
paper.
roll with a
She's the
Keisha.
reason. She's the reason we ran out of
take
toilet paper
down half
fast.
the roll, and one day, I carry it with me in my purse. When I'm in my car, I keep a roll in my glove compartment box.
Keisha, that's not
I'll
meant
just
for
grab
eating. It's
toilet
meant for
paper,
wiping your
break it up, and
butt.
start eating it. A good place where people really don't pay attention to you eating toilet paper is the movie theaters. It's dark in there, so you can like sneak a couple of sheets in with no one even noticing.
I sneak snacks and not toilet paper.
Facts.
Sitting up eating tissue. Because she'll sit up, watch a movie,
Otra?
she'll have her tissue on the side.
No, I think that's.
She eating it right
Oh
now.
no, that's Keisha.
Right, she standing
No, that's
next
Keisha.
door,
Oh.
eating tissue.
My name is Teresa. I'm 44 years old. I'm from Williamsport, Pennsylvania, and I'm addicted to smelling gasoline.
I like smelling gas, but I'm not addicted to it.
I don't
When
think
wake
that's
up in the morning,
as bad as
the
the
thing I do
first
is
two we
I
just
roll
watched.
over, sit
Because I feel
up,
like a lot of
and
people
smell
like
my gas
smelling
bottle.
certain things.
Then I'll
Like I know
get up, take another
someone who
sniff of
likes smelling
gasoline,
toe jam.
and then I'll come downstairs.
Not gonna
A
say
couple
no
minutes later,
names.
I'll take another sniff of it.
Teresa has been addicted to smelling gasoline for over 30 years. She takes a sniff every 10 minutes and even wakes up in the middle of the night for a fix.
I don't even know how to explain how it smells. I just love the smell of it, how it makes my nose feel inside the back of my throat.
Now she stashes 4 water bottles filled with gasoline throughout the house for easy access.
No matter where I'm at, I have a bottle with me. I keep it either in my purse or in my jacket pocket. When I eat, it's sitting right there at the kitchen table in case I get that urge. Wait a minute.
She got the urge.
That might make me feel better.
Teresa was only 13
Oh, I was gonna
years
say, I
old
look like
when her
Teresa.
dad asked if she wanted to smell his gas can.
Yeah,
I smelled it that one time, and that was all it took.
Baby girl.
Ew, her tooth. Did you see that?
Smells like you're walking into a garage. Now we're smelling gas while you're cooking.
And your point is, if you don't like it, go upstairs.
When Teresa doesn't have gasoline, watch out.
She's like,
She's
you don't like it.
sassy.
Angry.
Yeah,
What do you
when
think it's doing to your health?
I,
What do you think
I,
it's doing to your brain? Or
I don't know. I can't answer that. But I'm not going to sit here and have you throw it in my face when, you know...
Not throwing it in your
I
face.
can
I'm
quit.
just
I
saying.
can quit. That's
You've been
why
saying that for years, but you're still smelling gas.
Teresa doesn't work.
Sis knows she can't
Supported by
quit.
her boyfriend. She spends almost $400 a month on her addiction.
You know what I can do with $400?
You know, take the last couple
Buy
hours
food.
we have
Buy
just to go get the
Chick-fil-A.
gasoline can filled because I have to have my gasoline to sniff. I come to the gas station about twice a week. The more I go to the gas station, the fresher the gas
They're
is.
probably
I've
like,
heard
hey
her talk
Teresa.
about situations where she chose the gas over buying food or something like that. She just needs her fix.
I live in Austin, Texas. I am a mother to a beautiful little 3-year-old named Andrea. You're gonna make your hair so pretty today.
Okay, try like,
And I am addicted
pause it real
to
quick.
sleeping with my dryer. Typically, my nightly routine would just be to get up underneath my covers, turn on my blow dryer on low, and
just curl up.
That's not
into
as bad
it,
though.
put it
I
on
like
my
the other one.
hands. If I'm cold, I put it on my feet. And then I zone into the sound of it. I was 8 years old when the first time I remember sleeping with a blow dryer. I used to share a
Hey.
bed with my older sister Tani, and
Stupid
she
dogs.
one night turned on this blow dryer, and the
Oh my God.
sound of it, the warmth of it, just instantly put me to sleep. And from that point forward, I was
Excuse me.
It's your dog. Try again, sis.
My name is Josh. I'm 27.
What's up,
I
Josh?
live in Worcester, Ohio, and I'm addicted to eating glass.
Ew.
When I bite into the glass, I just get like a warm feeling. Kind of.
It's your blood, cuh.
Normally, when I look for a glass to eat, I look for champagne glasses, wine glasses, light bulbs. The reason I pick these are because they're usually a thinner glass. It's very
Inside
gritty
you're being
right now.
sliced open.
It's hard to describe. It sounds
That's
awful in
like
my head,
cut
the actual
open.
chewing. But I enjoy this a whole lot.
I like the sound of it. It sounds
There isn't a whole lot
satisfying.
of taste. It's more of a texture thing. It's like eating horrendously sharp rock candy.
It's like eating my mom's rice.
Oh my god.
I'm Bianca, and I'm addicted to eating pottery. I can't
What?
live without it. It's something that my body kind of just craves. It's kind of salty and kind of gritty, and I like the way it dissolves in my tongue. I don't smoke, but my older sister, she smokes, and that's where I get my cigarette ashes from.
Ew.
She can actually crave ashes. It's disgusting.
She said, "Are you done with that?"
That cigarette looks really good. The ashes look really good.
No, it's not good. That's really weird, BB. You're not gonna eat none of these ashes.
She hates it. She tries to like hide it from me or grab it from me, but that doesn't stop me.
You know it's not edible, right?
Yeah, which kind of makes it more satisfying.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
She said it's not edible, so it makes it more satisfying.
Bianca. I think Bianca moved on to the ashes because the pottery just wasn't gritty enough for her. She says the material of the ashes grinds against her tongue a little bit more than the pottery does. So have you eaten any pottery lately?
I have.
You have any with you right now?
Matter of fact,
Don't eat any in front of me.
We're gonna skip this because it's too nasty.
Yeah, because
That's
I don't
disgusting.
have any pockets, so I'm like,
Is it like
I
ashes?
take my husband everywhere. To the grocery
Oh,
store,
that's not that bad.
shopping,
Ooh, babe, look at that. That's neat.
to the movies, out to eat. If somebody says, "Hey, who is that?" I'm like, "Oh, this is my husband." Some people laugh; they think I'm playing. But I mean, it's serious. It's my husband.
Dang.
Anywhere I go, he goes. I sleep with him.
Like, baby, I love you.
When I go grocery shopping, I
Wonder what
buy
happened.
the foods that he likes.
You died.
When I-
Obviously.
Then why are you asking?
I don't eat it.
But like, what was the cause?
If I'm watching
She
TV,
cooks for him, but she
he's there with me.
You wanna watch this?
Casey and Sean were married in 2009 after dating for 10 months.
Everything I had ever wanted in a man was right in front of me, and it felt so great.
They fell in love and was soulmates from day one. The 2.5 years that they were together, I think, was the only time Casey was truly, truly happy.
Mm-hmm.
Their marriage was picture perfect until Sean suffered a severe asthma attack 2 months ago.
There goes what you asked.
Yeah.
The doctor came in, and the look on his face was telltale. It was the day my world stopped turning. Today my life fell apart.
My name is Tamara. I'm 33 years old. I live in Jonesboro, Georgia, and I'm addicted to my pillow.
I'm addicted to my bed. We're on the same boat, sis.
Oh, you almost dropped it. I know that when I touch it, everything is going to be better.
Tamara has been addicted to her pillow since she was 4 years old. She carries it at least 18 hours a day and treats it as a best friend.
Well, my pillow actually has a name, and it's Boo. Hey, Boo. Something about the sensation of my hands. That's the main thing.
Tamara bought her pillow at an antique shop in 1982. She has never washed it.
Ew.
You know, it's got some miles on it, but it's not dirty, and it might be a little dirty, but it's not stinky. I don't like when people say it's stinky.
That is disgusting.
Sis, because it probably is stinky. What you mean?
Daily walk. I don't read.
I'm addicted to pulling hair out of shower drains. It's stress relief for me. I have this anxiety, and then I get the hair, and then like, bam, I'm relieved.
Evan's addiction to pulling hair from shower drains began 6 years ago after the death of his father. He was in college when he first had the urge.
It was kind of spur of the moment. I didn't know why I did it.
Now he collects hair from drains up to 3 times a week.
It has to be
That
out
is
of the shower drain.
disgusting.
I can't.
And he said,
My name is Rachel.
I was like
I'm from
2
Augusta,
seconds and I could
Georgia.
throw it away.
I'm engaged. I'm a social butterfly. But I can't stop picking scabs. My earliest memory picking is in kindergarten, actually. As a
I
child,
can't pick
would
scabs. I
only
feel like
pick
that's
scabs
disgusting.
that I got,
And it hurts
from
me
a
more.
bite-sized scratch
What about
or
you?
from accidents I'd been in. As I got older,
What?
What is
I
that?
A scab?
actually cut
Whenever
open a
you
few
cut
layers
yourself
of
and
skin
what's left on top.
just to have
Like-
more scabs to
Look
pick
at the quitas.
My
Like
legs
the
are torn
scars?
from
The
cutting.
dry stuff,
The ones
the
on my
nasty stuff,
ankles
of,
are-
like all
No, it
that.
hurts. I let it fall out on its own.
I first noticed Rachel picking when she was about 3 or 3.5. And I thought it was just like every kid likes to pick a sore.
When was the last time I picked a scab? Oh, never. Well, that's it. Because that's just... No. Y'all tell me what y'all thought of that. That was uncomfortable, for sure. What about you? What do you think?
Yeah, no. My strange addiction is sleeping.
Bro, that is mine. 24/7.
Nah, dude.
I love sleeping. So what? Can't tell me what to do. Alright, you guys. That is it for today's video. You want to tell them the rest?
See you guys next time. Wait, make sure you subscribe somewhere here.
If you're not part of the K and L Sisters fam, you know, hit that subscribe button.
Turn on.
Like this video. Comment on this video. Share this video. Show us love and share this video. You can continue.
Turn on that bell notification to be
Always.
notified when we post.
And we are now posting.
Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays.
Yep. At
5 p.m.
So y'all be ready for that.
See you guys later.
Bye.